Hi everybody, welcome to the 21 MCQs practice series on Tolkien. In this session, we will practice MCQs on constitutional law and you can drop a comment with how many questions you got correct. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started with today's session. Here we go. Here is question number 1. In which case, it was held by the Supreme Court that preamble is the basic feature of the Constitution. First option is Henry Golaknath case, second option is Henry Maneka Gandhi, and third option is Henry Swarna Singh, fourth option is Henry Keshwananda Bharti. What will be the correct answer? कौन से केस में कहा गया था सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा कि प्रियम्बल जो है बेसिक फीचर है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का? किसमें कहा गया था? केशवानंदा भारती केस में। तो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन डी, इनरी केशवानंदा भारती केस। ये हाईएस्ट जजेस की बेंच थी केशवानंदा भारती केस में। कितने जजेस थे? 13 जजेस का। तो अभी तक का इससे ज्यादा जजेस की बेंच किसी भी केस के लिए फॉर्म नहीं किया गया, आपको ध्यान में रखना है। और जो आपका बेरूबरी का केस है, इस केस में बोला गया था कि प्रियम्बल इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड कैन नॉट बी अमेंडेड। ये आपका बेरूबरी के केस में बोला गया था, बट केशवानंदा भारती के केस में बोला गया था कि जो आपका प्रियम्बल है ये पार्ट है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का एंड कैन बी अमेंडेड। Next question is, in which case the Supreme Court held that the preamble is not the part of the Constitution. देखिए यहाँ पर पूछा गया सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने किस केस में हेल्ड किया कि प्रियम्बल इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। कौन सा केस हो जाएगा आपका? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है ए के गोपालन केस, सेकेंड ऑप्शन बेरूबरी केस, थर्ड ऑप्शन मिनर्वा मिल्स केस एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन ए के एंटनी केस। तो राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, बेरूबरी यूनियन केस। तो हमारा राइट आंसर हो गया ऑप्शन बी। और ये केस है आपका 1960 का। और जो यहाँ केशवानंदा भारती केस है, ये केस आपका 1973 का केस है। और जो बेरूबरी का केस है, इसी केस में आपका बोला गया कि प्रियम्बल इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड कैन नॉट बी अमेंडेड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वॉज अडॉप्टेड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑन। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 25 August 1949, second option is 26 November 1949, third option is 26 January 1950 and fourth option is 15 August 1947. What will be the correct answer? अगर आप preamble देखेंगे उसके लास्ट लाइन में मेंशन है, in our constituent assembly this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. तो आपका राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, 26 November 1949. Next question is, the preamble of the Constitution of India invoices that. First option is it shall stand part of the Constitution. Second option is it could be abrogated or wiped out from the Constitution. Third option is it does not acknowledge, recognize or proclaim anything about the Constitution. And fourth option is it has a separate entity in the Constitution. What will be the correct answer? The preamble of the Constitution of India invoices that it shall stand part of the Constitution. The correct answer will be A. Next question is, the word socialist, secular and unity and integrity of the nation were made to our constitution by. First option is 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. Second option is 44th Amendment of the Constitution and third option is 46th Amendment of the Constitution. Fourth option is none of the above. What will be the correct answer? जो सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर एंड यूनिटी एंड इंटेग्रिटी ऑफ द नेशन है, ये वर्ड अपने प्रियम्बल में किस अमेंडमेंट के द्वारा जोड़ा गया है? किसके द्वारा जोड़ा गया? 42nd अमेंडमेंट के द्वारा जोड़ा गया। आपका राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए, 42nd अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। Next question is, which one of the following statements is correct? First option is preamble of the constitution is the part of the constitution and can be amended under article 368. Second option is preamble of the constitution is not a part of the constitution and cannot be amended. Third option is preamble is the part of the constitution and can be amended only if no change in the basic structure is made. Fourth option is preamble can be amended by parliament simply by an objective resolution. What will be the appropriate answer? Right answer is option C. Preamble is the part of the constitution and can be amended only if no change in the basic structure is made. बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर चेंज नहीं होगा तब इसमें अमेंडमेंट कर सकते हैं प्रियम्बल में। आपका एक बार किया भी गया है 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट, जिसके द्वारा सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर एंड इंटेग्रिटी वर्ड को ऐड किया गया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the preamble of our constitution is solemnly resolved to secure to its people। और ये सेम लाइन आपके preamble में लिखा है। preamble जिसको भी नहीं याद है, आप सभी को याद होना चाहिए, याद कर लीजिएगा। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship and equality of status and opportunity, and second option is fundamental rights and duties, and third option is civil, political and economic fundamental rights. Fourth option is parliamentary form of government. What will be the correct answer? The preamble of our constitution is solemnly resolved to secure to its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship and equality of status and opportunity. The correct answer will be A. Next question is the solemn resolution in the preamble of our constitution is made in the name of. First option is people of India. Second option is Constituent Assembly of Free India. Third option is Constitution of India. Fourth option is Indian Independence Act 1947. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be A. People of India. हम भारत के लोग। Next question is the preamble to our constitution proclaims that we the people of India have established. First option is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Second option is a sovereign, democratic republic. Third option is a sovereign, secular, democratic, socialist republic. And fourth option is secular, socialist, democratic, sovereign republic. What will be the correct answer? The preamble to our constitution proclaims that we the people of India have established sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic। ये आपको सीक्वेंस में याद होना चाहिए। यही हमारा राइट आंसर हो जाएगा। आपका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए, अ सॉवरेन, सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर, डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज करेक्ट? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज the preamble enumerates the purpose and objectives that the legislation intended to achieve. Second option is preamble reflect the intention of the members of the Constituent Assembly. Third option is the preamble codifies the regular measures to the citizens. And fourth option is envisages only liberty in all spheres. What will be the correct answer? The preamble enumerates the purpose and objective that the legislation intended to achieve. The correct answer will be A. और जो आपका प्रियम्बल है ये किसका फॉर्म है? ये फॉर्म है आपका मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म है किसका? ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन का। और ऑब्जेक्टिव जो रेजोल्यूशन है ये आपका अडॉप्ट किया गया था 22 जनवरी 1949 को। और ये टेबल किसके द्वारा किया गया था? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के द्वारा किया गया था। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Question is the word socialist in preamble aims to. First option is eliminate inequality in economic and political status. Second option is eliminate inequality in political and religious affairs. And third option is eliminate inequality in income and status and standards of life. And fourth option is eliminate class-based society. What will be the correct answer? सोशलिस्ट वर्ड जो प्रियम्बल में इंक्लूड है इसका एम क्या है? इसका एम है एलिमिनेट इनइक्वालिटी इन इनकम एंड स्टेटस एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ लाइफ। हमारा करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी सी, एलिमिनेट इनइक्वालिटी इन इनकम एंड स्टेटस एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ लाइफ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन द केस ऑफ गोलकनाथ वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब it was remarked that our preamble contains in a nutshell its ideals and aspirations. Who was the judge? First option is Justice Matthews, second option is Justice Krishna Iyer, third option is Justice Subba Rao, fourth option is Justice H.R. Khanna. What will be the correct answer? कौन से जज थे? जज आपके थे सुब्बा राव। आपका राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी, सुब्बा राव। Next question is the chairman of the Constituent Assembly was. First option is Jawaharlal Nehru, second option is Jayaprakash Narayan, third option is C. Rajgopalachari and fourth option is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What will be the correct answer? The chairman of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. आपका right answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option D. Next question is the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitution was. First option is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Second option is K.M. Munshi. Third option is Sir A. Krishna Iyer. And fourth option is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What will be the correct answer? Drafting committee set up on 29 August 1947. It was this committee that was entrusted with the task of preparing a draft of the new constitution. It consisted of 7 members. They were Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, Sir A. Krishna Iyer, N. Gopal Swami Iyengar, and Sayyid Muhammad Sadullah and Madhav Rao. And Madhav Rao replaced B.L. Mitra, who resigned due to ill health, and T.T. Krishnamachari. T.T. Krishnamachari replaced D.P. Khaitan, who died in 1948. The first draft of the Constitution of India was published by the Drafting Committee in Feb 1948. आपका राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए, डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर. चेयरमैन कौन थे ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी के? डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर. Now let's move on to the next question. Question is fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood to all Indians and is the principle which gives unity and solidarity to social life. It was said by first option is Dr. Rajendra Prasad, second option is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, third option is Jawaharlal Nehru, fourth option is Sri Rajgopalachari. What will be the correct answer? Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said that fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood to all Indians and is the principle which gives unity and solidarity to social life. तुम्हारा करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर. Next question is which of the pairs is correctly matched? First option is republic, head of the state is hereditary monarch, second option is sovereign, constitution rests on people's will, third option democratic, constitution does not recognize legal supremacy of another country, and fourth option is secular, state is without any religion of its own. सही बात है, सेकुलर में जो स्टेट है उसका अपना कोई रिलीजन नहीं होता. ये हमारा करेक्ट हो जाएगा. आपका राइट आंसर क्या हो गया? ऑप्शन डी, secular state is without any religion of its own. Next question is preamble of our constitution is of extreme importance and the constitution should be read and interpreted in the light of the grand and noble vision expressed in the preamble. Justice Sikri expressed the above opinion in the case of. तो यहाँ पर जो ओपिनियन एक्सप्रेस किया गया है जस्टिस सीकरी के द्वारा किस केस में किया गया यही आपको बताना है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है इनरी बेरूबरी यूनियन, सेकंड ऑप्शन इज केशवानंदा भारती वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ केरला, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज A.K. गोपालन वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ मद्रास एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज इनरी केरला एजुकेशन बिल. राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, केशवानंदा भारती वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ केरला. Next question is in accordance with the text of the constitution a reasonable restriction in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India can be imposed on the right to. First option is freedom of speech and expression, second option is move freely throughout the territory of India, third option is reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, fourth option is carry on any occupation, trade or business. What will be the right answer? In accordance with the text of the constitution, a reasonable restriction in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India can be imposed on the right to freedom of speech and expression. The right answer क्या हो गया? Option A, freedom of speech and expression. Next question is consider the following statements. The Indian constitution is, first statement is unwritten constitution, second statement is written constitution, third statement is largely based on Government of India Act 1935. What will be the correct answer? First option is 2 and 1 are correct, second option is 2 and 3 are correct, and third option is 1 and 2 are correct, and fourth option is 1 and 3 are correct. What will be the correct answer? Indian constitution is unwritten constitution. No, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अब देखिए जहां जहां 1 आया एलिमिनेट कर दीजिए. ए नहीं होगा आपका, सी भी नहीं होगा, डी भी नहीं होगा. तुम्हारा राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, 2 and 3 are correct. Indian constitution is written constitution and largely based on Government of India Act 1935. Now let's move on to the next question. Question is democracy and federalism. are essential features of our constitution and basic feature of its structure. This observation was made in S.R. Bommai case by first option is Justice A.M. Ahmadi, second option is Justice J.S. Verma, third option is Justice P.V. Sawant, and fourth option is Justice S.R. Pandian. What will be the correct answer? एस आर बोम्मई केस में किसके द्वारा ये स्टेटमेंट ऑब्जर्व किया गया है, दिया गया है? डेमोक्रेसी एंड फेडरलिज्म आर एसेंशियल फीचर्स ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड बेसिक फीचर ऑफ इट्स स्ट्रक्चर। किसके द्वारा दिया गया? जस्टिस पीवी सावंत के द्वारा। आपका राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी, जस्टिस पीवी सावंत। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the text of the preamble of the Constitution of India aims to secure. First option is fundamental rights to all individuals. Second option is fundamental duties to citizen of India. Third option is dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. And fourth option is security of service to government servant. What will be the correct answer? The text of the preamble of the Constitution of India aims to secure dignity of the individual, unity and integrity of the nation. The correct answer will be option C. Okay, that's it for today's practice session. Count how many answers you got correct and share your score in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MCQs practice classes with Talk Nurse. See you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you. Jai Hind.